This is the first time that you're going to have sweet potatoes. It's your first real food other than oatmeal and rice cereal. Let's see how this goes. There's your first sweet potato. Let's see how this goes. How's your sweet potatoes? Is that yummy?
It tastes a little different than the other stuff.
Nom, nom, nom. There's the bib that Uncle Colin gave you. It says nom, nom, nom. Oh, that's some sweet potatoes.